Hello again. In this video I'm going to give a demo of the ExoPC User Interface. The build that I have on the prototype is a very early version, so not all the features are present, but I will show you what I have available to show you. I'm going to click the icon that launches the ExoPC User Interface. Comes up pretty quick. This is the home page. The home page can have whatever applications that you'd like on it. You can change the wallpaper, you can change the transparency of the black framing of the circles. The changing of the wallpaper and the transparency is not available in the version that I have, so I won't be able to show you that. But I can show you how to launch applications, add applications to the screen, remove them, that type of thing. The first thing I want to show you is the buttons in the bottom right corner. These don't have to be in the bottom right corner, this just happens to be where I placed them. These are not applications, these are actually buttons that open other pages. For instance, if I click this purple button here, it launches the kids page that Jacques built. And if I click this application, we'll see Mahjong that some of you were asking about. This is a very touch-friendly version of Mahjong that was pre-installed on the prototype. All you do is just select your tiles with your finger, and it works pretty easy. You can hit this key in the upper right corner, which is the back key is what I call it. It has a little picture of a house on it like a home key, but it does only take you back one screen. It doesn't take you back to the home screen with a single click. You can see there we went back to the home screen now. I'm going to click on another one of these buttons that takes us to another page. This page has a lot of physics demos, so I'll just open one here for you. It's just a ball and a string. You can grab it at the end of the string and just kind of swing it around just to show the reaction time of the touch. You can click on the Mahjong icon over here. This is basically your taskbar on the right hand side. And you can go back and forth between the applications that you have open, or click the back button or home key to go back into the pages. I'll open another application. Here's our little virtual hamster. You can click on the screen to feed him food, he'll run his wheel, drink his water. Let's get back out of there, hit the home key one more time, go back to the main page. You can move applications around just by dragging them around the screen, placing them where you want. If you don't want them on the screen anymore, you just drag them over to the little recycle bin that shows up, let it go and it's gone. If you'd like to add applications to the screen, you go to the upper left hand corner, there's a little plus symbol, and this will show you the My Apps page. These are all the applications that came pre-installed on the prototype, and if I want to add one of those to the screen, I just click on it and it shows up right on the page. You can place it where you want. Let's go back into the My Apps screen. I'll also show you the store. This is not a live version of the store, this is just a demo. But you can see here, excuse the shaky camera, it shows you apps, reading, games, web, pro, TV channels, kind of main categories. And then within apps, we can see one of the categories is time. I'm not sure if these are the exact categories for the final store, but it's just an example. So the applications that we have available are all based around time. Alarm clocks, other types of clocks. You can scroll through them. You can see here on the clocks, it shows you the name and a short description of the application, shows you the icon, the price, and the customer rating. If this were the live store, we'd be able to click on the application for more details and the option to download the free app or purchase a paid app. From right within the store, we don't have to go back to the home screen or close the store out. We can just click on an application in our taskbar and it's still running, as is our hamster. Go back to the home screen. And that's my short demo of the ExoPC User Interface. When I have an updated version, I'll show you some more information about what it can do. Before I end the video, I will give you a quick explanation of the buttons that you see on this side of the screen. At the very bottom left hand corner is the Windows key. Think of that as your minimized key. When you click that, it minimizes the application and you go back to your desktop. You just click on the application in the taskbar to bring it back open. The button above that is the power button. That's basically like the X in the red box in Windows applications. It'll close the ExoPC User Interface. These buttons up here are dedicated to the virtual keyboard. And above that, we have the mobility center. When you bring the mobility center up, you can adjust your display brightness, your volume, your power settings, turn your wireless on and off, manually adjust your landscape if you have it locked where it doesn't adjust on its own at the turning of the ExoPC. And underneath the plus in the upper left hand corner is the time and the state of your battery and whether you have it plugged in charging or not. I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button now, which closes the interface. Just a quick demo of the internet and the rotation abilities of the ExoPC. We'll go to our form, return it this way. It automatically adjusts, shows it in landscape, turn it back, or in portrait, turn it back for landscape, and it fades back in. That's all for this video. Have a good day.